How to add phone number to Shopify Store. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a phone number or a business phone number into your Shopify Store. So it is going to be, let's say, showcased into the invoices that you're going to send after you have got some products bought from your store, and also how we can show it up into the section or the footer section. So we are going to start by having the phone number added with the address. So we're going to have everything set up for the invoice, and that is by heading over the settings after you have got the access to the admin dashboard. Of course, click on settings. From the settings, we're going to see some store details. As you can see, we're going to have this detail, and it is going to be for my store. Here we have the email address, the billing address, also the phone number. You can go ahead and click on the pin tool, so that means you are going to edit. Here you can change whatever you want. Now you can set up the store phone, as you can see, to whatever you want from here, and you're going only to save it. And here, as you can see, when you're going to change the phone or add it, you're going to get this into the invoice that you're going to send. Basically, that was the first step. Now, the second step is going to add this phone number to the online store, and that is by heading over the themes. Click on the themes, click on customize, and then you're going to see this specific editor open up. Now from the editor, we are going basically here to head over one place, like for example the footer, and we're going to add here a specific, let's say here, block. So you can go ahead and have some of the, as you can see, headings modified and add the phone number to them. For example, like as you can see, or you can read, we have the heading of subscribe to our emails. You can go ahead and let this slide, or you can go ahead and modify it for something else. Or you can go ahead and have here from the footer, you can add, for example, a text or some brand information. The brand information is going to have, for example, on here, you're going to have something added, like, I don't know, here the brand information is going to be something like that, like phone number. You're going to wait to see it. It is going to be created right there. So you're going to create your phone number here, just like that. So we are going to have it just like this, and as you can see, we have added our phone number. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.